red, blue, green. Build the tallest tower ever seen. Woohoo!
Uh-oh, hup, beep, beep, what is that?
Big ship stuck. Crash. Uh-oh, splat.
No way through, the trucks all say.
How do we build now? What's the way? Think it through. Teamwork helps us find what's new. Too big to move. That's okay. Build it here. Hooray! Push, push, blade. Drop, drop, holler. Careful dig. Nice and slower. Up it goes. Strong and tight. Bridge is built just right. Roll, roll, roll across the way. Toy City shines. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Big problems help us play and grow. Build it together. Go, go, go.
This hull is compromised. We need precision. Blade, prep the debris clearing zone now. Debris cleared. Ground prepped. Ready for foundation. Must be fast. Bridge components delivered. Ready for extraction run. Slow and steady. Maximum care. We are rescuing the route, piece by delicate piece. Rumble! The muscle handles the mess. Wreckage secured. Transporting to discard zone. Efficiency maximized. Foundation established. Perfectly aligned. The bridge begins.
The rescue specialists work together, clearing the old and building the new.
This is it! The final connection! Ready for drop! 3, 2, 1! We cleared the wreck!
We delivered the parts.
And we built the way forward! Mission complete! Perfect stability! A strong foundation holds up everything! That was heavy lifting. Time for a little rest. The construction crew showed how strong teamwork can build anything. The rescue mission is complete. Now, team, look to Sector 3. We have a new tower to build. Delivery complete. Next zone, waiting for instruction. No bumps allowed on our new bridge. Must be smooth as glass. Safety first and precision last. Project Bridge is officially open for traffic. You drove great, hauler. Fast and steady. Another challenging job. Finished perfectly. Ready for the next one. The bridge is secure. Now, let's look at the city grid. Focus on sectors Beta and Gamma. Nothing too big for me to level. Must maintain perfect balance. These specialty pieces are fragile.
For the intricate parts, Dig brings his renowned precision, ensuring every piece fits perfectly.
The construction crew is working in perfect rhythm. Every move is synchronized. Sticky stuff. Come on, muscle. Easy, Blade. Sometimes you need precision, not just power. Debris clear, making space for the next foundation layer.
With teamwork this fast, Toy City is rising faster than ever. Look at that progress.
Another long day of hard work done. The city looks beautiful, team!